Good morning to all. This is a microprocessor kit which is available in our laboratory. It's a 8085 microprocessor from the VI Microsystem, and we have a LCD display here, and we have got connected a PC keyboard which is interfaced with this microprocessor kit, and we have got a microprocessor and other ICs available here, and we have got a reset pin and interrupt buttons. These two are available here, and ports are also available here. These details we will discuss in detail. So first of all, let us see how to do the programming of 8085. So normally the display looks like this. Once you switch on, you can see the display like this. It is micro-85EB, and hash is there, and there is a blinking. So you can see a cursor which is blinking. There we have to type the command. To enter the program, the command has to be typed as A. A means assembler, and press enter, and it will ask the origin of the program. Normally program has to be written in a memory location specified by the manufacturer. So this manufacturer have said we can write the program after the 4000 memory location. So we will say 4000. We don't need to mention H here. We will simply type 4000, enter, and the line 4000 will be available here. Since we have interfaced the computer keyboard, we can directly type the program in mnemonics. That instructions we can type. We will write a simple program to store the data, and we will add two numbers. So let us say LXI. You just type LXI, comma, space H, comma 4200. Actually, I am typing whatever I am typing here. It's available in the display. And then see, when I press enter, it will automatically go to the next address. See, the address is mentioned as 4000. So when I press enter, we have got, it's a 3-byte instruction. You can see this is 1 byte, this is second byte, and third byte. So 3-byte instruction, the address has to go to next address line, that is nothing but 4202. 4000 0 is there, 1 will be taking, 2 will also be taking, then 3, 4003 it has to come. Yes, it has come, 4003. So here I can type the next instruction, isn't it? So let us say move space A, comma B. In case if I make any mistake in this while typing the program, then this cursor will not go to the next address. For example, A, comma B is there. For by mistake, if I typed a comma, then you can see a comma, extra comma is there. If I enter, then it is an invalid. It says that it is invalid. So it is not moving. It is not going to the next address. So what we have to type is we have to correct that mistake. That is MOV space A, comma B. And this one we can delete and come to the backspace. Yeah, backspace also we have to come. Otherwise it will not come. So now it will go to the next address, that is 4004. Yes, 4004. So the memory is moved to the accumulator. Let us assume that next second value is available in the second memory location, that is 4101. So now I am just incrementing INX H, then I am adding M, and result will be there. And then what I do is I just say STA, I can say 4300. Okay, I am entering next, and then we just say carry has to be there, no? Carry has to be copied. So for that, what I am going to do is, I am just adding the carry with the accumulator. Before that, accumulator has to be 0. So I am just typing MVI A comma 00. Yes. And then ADC, add with the carry. Okay. Yes. Okay. It is ADC, add with the carry, accumulator. Yes. So accumulator has to be added with the carry. So the carry is added. If the carry is generated, now we can get STA. Now accumulator may be there as a 0, 1 because carry may be generated. So the carry can be stored in 4301 memory location. Fine. And the next instruction is halt, HLT. Okay. Next I am entering. Next. See, if I want to come out of this and go to the command line, there is a command called as full stop. Type, press full stop and enter. See, full stop is there, enter is there. When I press enter, then it has come on to the command line. And if you want to see the program, there is a command that is called as U. You just simply type U here. U means unassembler, and it will also ask the memory address. I am just typing 4000. 4000 I can see what are the instructions I have typed program. See, I have typed LXI H comma 4200 and then move A comma B. Okay, I think I typed move A comma B. It should be move A comma M, isn't it? So increment H and add M. Add M, store the result, and then moving the accumulator into 0, adding the accumulator with the carry. So 0 plus carry, if it is 1, it is added. Then the storing the carry in 4301. So now I just press dot and enter, it is coming back. So again I type assemble A. So now I think the second line is an error. So that is 4003. So I directly go there 4003. So here I can say correct that line alone, move A comma M. And then I have to type enter. Then I have to press type dot and enter. So it is coming out. So let us see whether that correction has taken place or not. Whatever we have corrected. Okay, whatever we have corrected, it is changed or not, we will see. Let us see U and 4000. Once program is typed, let us see how to enter the data. So for entering the data, you type command SU and type the starting of the address, that is 4100. Enter. So 4100 we have got 06. So you can enter a new data. Let us say 8F I am entering. Then 4102 23 is there. Let us say FA. I am just typing. Okay, I can come out by pressing like this. Let us also verify what is the data in 4300. SU, let us say 4300. So now 57 is there. If you want to make it as 00, you just type 00. Next 00 you type. Okay. Now you can come out. If you want, you can verify whether 4300 has entered the 0. Now you can see we have entered two zeros. 4300 is 0, 4301 is also 0, and we had other numbers actually. That let us not bother. Okay. So we were coming out. So now how to execute the program? So now so far what we have done, we have entered the program, and the second step is we have verified the program, and the third step is we have entered the data for the input, and then we are going to execute the program. So execution of the program, you type go G starting of the memory address. So program is written at 4000. Okay, just enter. It just comes go execute. Normally it has to come out after execution. Sometimes it is keep on executing. Quickly it will come out of the execution. Doesn't matter. Then you can press restart and it comes out. Now we go to the memory location where we stored the output. So 4300 we have stored the output. So we can see 89, and of course carry is 1. Okay, what are the data we have added? We have added, I think, let us check. So what we are getting is 89. 189 is the output we are getting. So let us check again what is the input we have given. So SU space 4100. So we have given 8F plus FA. 8F plus FA is equal to 189. That we can verify in the calculator also. So that's all in this program. So similarly you can write all the program and you can execute all the program which you have written. So in this video we have learned what are the commands required for editing and what is the command required for viewing the program and entering the data and seeing the output. Okay, thanks for watching, and we will see the remaining things in the next video.